Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to leave a WhatsApp group. So, when you choose to exit a group, it will not notify everyone in the chat thread. When you exit the group, only the group admins will be notified in the chat that you left. This feature aims to help users feel more comfortable about exiting groups they no longer wish to be in. So, first thing you're gonna do is open your WhatsApp. Then tap and hold group name. And then on the three dots on the upper right corner, you can exit the group. So just press exit. So that's it. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it on the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!